Hello everybody! Take a look at this cute syrup I have here. It is made with a small teeth comb, it is very colorful, symmetrical, and I wanted to make it again in front of you, even if you may already know how to make one, and I've shown it in previous videos lots of times, but I thought you could use a reminder. I will present you the colors used one by one, starting with black and increasing the colors and pigment gradually until I get to a light yellow. I made sure the colors are in the correct order and are as pretty as I could find them. I will start with the black strip in the middle of the syrup, using the usual way of making it. Being black, you can't even see the little loop I made to attach it on the comb, but it's there and that's how you start. While making it, I also add glue on the back every time I complete a layer, so all of them stay together when I remove my shape of the comb. I used every color in symmetry on both of the syrup parts, so it has an even appearance. When I finish with one color, I just cut the strip and I move to the next one. When done, remove it carefully off the comb and, if necessary, add glue where it needs to be added. Then bend it in two with the layers inside, but be careful not to squash it too much. I made 8 in total and they look amazing. Now starts the part where I need to glue them together, one next to the other. I used hot glue again, but be careful when working with it for two reasons. One, it is messy, so extra carefulness is required. And two, it is hot indeed and you might burn yourself. I have on my table 2 metal rings and I had to decide which one to use in the middle, but finally I chose the third option, which is no ring at all, as I didn't like the fit, so I left them for another project. Now I'll make some more syrups, but single colored, white to be more exact, and from one single strip. When done and removed off the comb, bend it in two, but this time with the layers on the outside. To make it stay in place, add some more glue where necessary, because sometimes the paper won't cooperate, and finally you can use a pair of tweezers to pinch it together a bit more and you will end up with a nice little shape. And after I had 7 of them done, I glued them to my original item to come up with this. Looks pretty, doesn't it? Okay, now what else? Oh yes, some different sized strips bent in two and glued together, keeping the same symmetry, and 2 swirls. Before gluing them together, I made some more pre-arrangements, so everything is exactly as I need it to be. This is the trinket I finally decided to add in the middle with similar colors, and I added a good amount of glue on the back before putting it in place. I also glued the last pieces and held them in place a little until the glue was hard enough. And that's it. A ribbon is there just in case you want this item to be used as a wall or window decoration, or you can place it on a pin in the wall if you don't want the ribbon to be visible. Hope you like it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. This decoration, despite the fact that it is colorful, is also serious because it looks a little like a medieval symbol, like the ones used on the shields of the knights from that era, and the shiny trinket in the middle, composed from different small crystals, finishes the look. The product of today's work is one I didn't plan at all. I just started it with the thought of a colored syrup. Then I made more, I put them together, and I built around my item until I came up with this. That's why I really hope you enjoyed it, and let it be an example of what can come out of your hands if you use your imagination and drive to create something different. That's it for today. Take care and see you next time.